kay ah, kay Senator Estrada, sinabun-sabon niya itong si Dennis Cunanan. So, naku po, ngayon lang magpapakita si Dennis Cunanan, so puntahan natin mga kabsat 'no. So, puntahan po natin. Alright. So, dito po tayo, next topic tayo mga kabsat, kay Dennis Cunanan. Ano ba sinabi ko kay Dennis Cunanan? Sabi ko dito is, ayun nga, nasabon-sabon talaga siya. Alright, so largo na tayo dito mga kabsat, napunta tayo kay Dennis Cunanan and here we go.
Sakop ng mga infrastructure ng mga POGO. Salamat, Sen. Grace. Yes, SP Pro Temp.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to ask some questions to Mr. Dennis Cunanan.
Ayan na. Nanggigil si Senator dito mga
Are you
kabsat ha.
allergic to anything?
My wife is sick, Your Honor, so I'm just making sure.
Ayun, ayaw ipakita yung mukha niya talaga eh. Sige, pagbigyan natin.
All right. Despite repeated invitations coming from this committee, bakit ngayon ka lang nag-appear?
Yun lang.
Your Honors, the first one was I was represented by my lawyers. The second one, Your Honors, we did not honestly receive the subpoena.
You did not?
We did not receive, Your Honors, the subpoena.
Okay, where are you connected right now?
I'm just doing my own business, Your Honor, private.
Okay, do you confirm that you were hired as a consultant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of whom?
Of Hongxing, Your Honor, and Lucky South.
Hongxing
In
and
Bamban Pogo?
Yes,
You're
Your Honor.
connected?
As an authorized representative.
Porac.
At the time. Yes, Your Honor.
Also Porac?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lawag?
Lawag, Your Honors, was also requested by Lucky South, Your Honors.
Aside from these three Pogos, meron pa bang iba?
None, Your Honors.
Did you
So,
sign a
connected siya sa
contract with
tatlong
them?
pogo.
No, Your Honors.
Ano yung duration ng services mo doon?
Just for their application for license, Your Honor. Contracted for that.
What initially attracted you to become involved in the Pogo industry?
We, honestly, Your Honors, we were not even in that line.
Excuse me?
We were not in that line.
You're not?
We're not in that line of work,
How
Your Honors.
how did you become a consultant there? Well,
When we were looking for
Shout out, Ma'am Esther
site
Gutierrez.
office
Kumusta
in
po? May gloves
Pampanga,
ka
Your
na?
Honors, because we were being asked to help one municipality in Central Luzon with their bid for cityhood. We got across these people in Lucky South at that time, and they were connected to us by the area where we were looking for the office, and they said they were trying to find somebody who can help them work on their applications. So we said we don't know what it's all about, and they said we can help them look into their documents and everything. We said we will check first if we can help you, and then we'll get back to you. So that's what we did first, sir. And then when we check on all these things, we did the research. We found a checklist from the website of PAGCOR, and we gave it to them. And we told them, this is just the checklist. Maybe you just have to comply, and then you're okay. And they said, can you help us comply? I said, I don't know how to do it, but if you know the documentation there, it's very easy. If you have all these requirements, I suppose we just put it together and then submit it. So that's what we did, Your Honors.
how much was your income or professional fee
Ay, wow. Sige, magkano?
It's
doon sa tatlong Pogo na nahawakan mo?
on a per work basis, Your Honors. We were they paid us based on man hours that we have.
Wala. Nag-brown out? Mamaya guys, makikita nyo manggigigil dito si Senator Estrada eh. Basta. Hindi daw niya makalimutan si Dennis Cunanan.
Mr. Cunanan, please proceed.
Okay, here we go.
It's a man hour on a base of man hour consultancy work, sir. Parang based on an hour basis na dinivote namin, tapos yung milestones pag may natatapos ko kami.
Okay, specifically, magkano kinita mo rin sa Bamban Pogo?
Dun sa Bamban, sir,
Magkano yung consultancy fee mo dyan?
If we're not, ano sir, as we have reported, it's about 150,000 sir.
Ay, wow.
150,000
Peso sir.
per month?
Nung tinapos namin sir yung trabaho.
Ilan months ka nag-consultancy doon?
Mga 3 months siguro namin sir tinrabaho lahat yan hanggang 4 months. Parang gano'n.
As a consultant, ano ginagawa mo doon? You
Pinapakita,
prepare what?
sir, hindi
May
lang ho-
kinakausap ka sa PAGCOR?
wala sir. Ang nangyari sir, meron sila kasing mga group nila. So for example, yung nakikipag-usap sa amin, parang translator, pinapakita niya kung yun yung mga requirements nga na nakalagay doon. Yung kung yun nga yung SEC, kung yun nga yung kanilang organizational business plan, etc. So nung tulungan namin sila sir ma-identify yon at yun nga yung kailangan nilang i-submit. Nagpa-assist sila kung pwedeng kami mag-submit sa Manila for them. That's why we were there.
Meron kang sariling consultancy firm?
Yes sir.
So, yung meron kayo kontrata?
Hindi na kami sir nag-engage into a contract kasi sabi nila they cannot afford a full contract based on our consultancy.
Sino kausap mo doon sa Bamban Pogo?
Doon sa Bamban sir may a certain Vivi Chen.
What's the name?
Vivi Chen po.
Chinese?
Chinese po siya na translator.
Do you think she's related with Mayor Go?
I'm not aware, Your Honors, but she was the one coordinating with us.
Wala kayong kontrata?
Wala
Kasulatan?
Your Honor. Wala
Ano,
po.
verbal lang?
Ang nangyari, Your Honors, when they contracted us, we checked with the local government kung investor nga sa lugar nila yon, and then the mayor at that time verified and
Who
assured
was
us.
the mayor at the time?
Mayor John Feliciano, Your Honors,
Mhm.
verified and told us that these are investors in his municipality and if they can be assisted.
Kailan ka pa nagtayo ng consultancy firm?
We started 2017, Your Honors.
2017.
Yes, Your Honors.
Alright. Doon sa Porac, how much were you paid?
Almost the same, Your Honors.
Almost the same.
Yes,
Sa
Your Honor.
Lawag.
Hindi ko kami
O,
lumayo.
sino kausap mo sa Porac?
Yung sa Porac ko, Charlotte Sia, Your Honors.
Also a Chinese national?
Yes, Your Honors. And apparently her Chinese name is Han Gao. Parang Han Gao.
Lawag.
Sila rin po, Your Honors.
Sino sila?
Si Han Gao dun sa
Yung Sia?
yes, Your Honors.
So, yung Porac tsaka Lawag, isa lang ang nagpapatakbo.
Yeah,
Am I correct?
Yung Lawag, Your Honors, hindi umandar.
Ano?
Hindi po umandar. Hindi
Sa Lawag, hindi umandar.
hindi nag-operate, Your Honors.
Alright. So, hindi ka nabayaran doon? Walang...
I think they paid us 50,000 for having the license for that, Your Honors.
Okay,
If I'm
ano
not
naman
mistaken.
yung trabaho mo bilang consultant? Ikaw ba yung naglalakad ng papeles nila para sa permit? At ikaw ba marahil kumakausap sa mga government agencies bilang nakapag-establish ka na rin siguro ng mga contract sa loob ng gobyerno?
Actually, Your Honors, it's more on reviewing their communications na nakakarating sa kanila para maintindihan ho nila kung tama nga o hindi. Tapos we help them with their replies kung paano nila sasagutin, and then they're the ones who submitted.
Di ba para lumalabas na fixer ka?
Patay
I'm
tayo
not
dyan.
fixing anything, Your Honors, because at that time also, if we can remember, Your Honors, during the times that all these documents, all these requirements were being worked out, we were under pandemic and we cannot even do any face-to-face with anybody, Your Honors, much of that.
Because according to the chairman of PAGCOR, si Chairman Tenko, during the previous Senate hearing, pinagkatiwalaan kayo ni Cassandra Lee Ong. Do you know her?
O, yung kasama ni
Yes, Your Honors.
Harry
At kayo
Roque.
raw ang authorized representative na pinagbigyan ng 6 months na buwis nila sa PAGCOR.
Ayan na,
Tama ba?
ayan na.
How did you know Cassandra Lee Ong?
She was one of the employees there, Your Honors,
Of?
of Lucky South.
Na involved sa Pogo?
Yes, Your Honors.
Sa Porac to, no?
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay. What can you say about the statement of PAGCOR chair?
Your Honors,
na kinubra mong pera na Lucky South
we
99?
strongly deny that, Your Honors, because if
Hindi mo raw binayad sa
For-
PAGCOR?
even for the sake of argument, Your Honors, if you will look at 6 months, 6 months is 150 per month after $50,000 per month. That's not even supposed to be $500,000. That's supposed to be about $900,000. And when we parted ways with Lucky South, Your Honors, we parted ways well. I left them June of 2023 because at that time, after the meeting with PAGCOR, where they called for us for an executive meeting among POGO operators, where I represented Lucky South at that time as an authorized representative, they already came out with the new guidelines. And the new guidelines specifically mentioned about authorized representative being already as liable as key officers.
If I may, SP Pro Temp, interject. Dagdag lang sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp.
Opo, ma'am.
Actually, iginigiit din ni Attorney Roque na
Yeah,
tinakbo niyo yung
may
pera ng
consisting
Lucky
at Gary
South
Roque dito,
99.
ma'am.
Totoo po ba yun?
No,
To
ma'am.
ask a
No,
second
no.
time?
Because up until now, ma'am, I just heard about it during the Senate hearing, Your Honor.
So, tinatanggi niyo rin yung sinabi ni Attorney Roque.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are opposing what he said.
Yes, ma'am.
Aray
Because
ko
up
po.
till now, ma'am, if I suppose that could have happened, there are only two things that will happen to me. Either I'm dead by now, or I might be dead by now with that amount, or two, I might have a court case already somewhere happening. But there's nothing of that effect, Madam Chair.
Attorney Roque, ginigiit niyo pa rin ba
Aray, Roque,
na
pasok.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan yung pera ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po nanggaling sa akin yan. Yan po isang ayon doon kay Cassie Ong. Kaya ko nga po siya
so si
sinamahan.
Cassie Leong ang
Siya po ang nagsabi.
na
Kaya
tinakbo
po,
ni Mr. Cunanan.
at ang totoo po niyan-
Teka po. So, si Cassie Leong ang
Relax.
ayon,
Attorney,
ang nagsabi
relax.
Tama
na
po yan.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan ang pera ni Cassie Leong sa Lucky South.
Shout out, Sir Max
hindi po niya
Ilarde.
pera, yung pambayad sa PAGCOR.
Of course, that's
ng
what I
Lucky
mean.
South.
So,
Opo.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan, yung binanggit din ni Mr. Cunanan ngayon lamang na 6 na
Shout out,
buwang
Kira.
buwis ng Lucky South 99.
Yan po ay isang ayon kay Cassie Ong.
Yes, and therefore sinamahan niyo siya sa PAGCOR. So itatanong ko pa po 'yon mamaya. Yes, SP Pro Temp, you still have the floor.
Konting
Thank you,
singit
Madam
na yun.
Kailan na
Kay Harry
natapos
Roque.
yung serbisyo mo sa POGO?
Yung technical work ho namin, Your Honors, immediately terminates upon issuance of their license. Tapos
Pero
so,
pag
When was this?
natapos na yung trabaho, syempre,
like yung
tapos rin yung
sa
kontrata.
Lucky South 2021 nila nakuha yung lisensya nila.
Mm.
Ang ganun din ho yung sa Hong Sing naman 2021 if I'm not mistaken no nakuha nila 21. So, Your Honors, what happened is after that nire-request na lang ho nila ako kung wala meron silang sulat na natanggap once a month or every other month. They request that if I can visit them and read on the papers that they receive, and then they pay us on a man-hour basis.
So wala na kayong connection sa POGO as early as 2022
Yes, Your
or
Honor.
2021?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung ganyan, bakit kayo nirereklamo noong July 2023 na hindi ninyo binabayad yung taxes ng Lucky South sa PAGCOR?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
Huh?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
What do you mean?
Hindi rin ko alam bakit. Most likely, it's part of what they want to do, Your Honor.
So anong
Sorry, SP Pro Temp. Most likely it's part of what?
Yung operational, I don't know what they wanted to do, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Cunanan.
anong proof mo na nagbayad ka sa PAGCOR? Nagbayad ka ba sa PAGCOR?
Your Honors, hindi naman ho all the time ako na kapag ho hindi,
Pinagkatiwalaan nga sa yung pere.
yung nga akong sinasabi
Ni
nila,
Cassie
meron ho
Leong.
silang hindi lang sila makapunta. But they were
Shout
the
out
ones who
Joanna
staying, Your
Tier.
Honors. Pag hindi lang ho sila makapunta ng Manila and they need somebody to help them pay, then we assist them. But we do not handle it, Your
Pero
Honor.
ang sabi nga ni Cassandra Leong, na binigay daw sa yung pera,
Yan.
pero hindi mo nga binayad.
Which
Yun ang sinabi ni Chairman Altenco.
we
SP
deny,
Pro
Your
Temp,
Honors.
excuse me, Mr. Cunanan, if I may interject. Could we ask
Nasasabon
Chair
na dito
Tenco,
si-
ano exactly yung sinabi ni Cassie Leong at ni
Oh.
Attorney Roque sa inyo tungkol kay Mr. Cunanan?
O, sige yan, para malinaw.
Ulitin ko
Balik.
lang po, nung himingi po ng appointment noon si former Secretary Roque,
Mm.
dumating po sila sa akin tanggapan. Ang kasama po ni Secretary Roque ay si a certain Cassandra Leong
Mm.
at yun po ang dinudulog niyang matulungan sapagkat ang problema po ni ni
Cassandra.
Binibining Cassandra Leong is yung authorized representative nila supposed to be na nakamarka naman doon na si Ginoong Cunanan ay hindi daw po binabayad yung pinagkakatiwala nilang pera.
Huli
Mr.
ka,
Cunanan
Dennis
sa PAGCOR.
Kunanan.
So yan po yung averment nga ni Miss Cassie Leong.
Opo. At
Pero
nandun po kaharap
sinabi
si-
din
hindi po
sinasabi
sinasabi.
din yon ni Attorney Roque na yun yung agenda nung meeting
Opo,
pagpunta sa inyo.
tinutulungan po si
So pareho po
Cassandra.
yung sinasabi ni Miss Cassie Leong at ni Attorney Roque na ang problemang dinudulog sa PAGCOR ay
Yung hindi
si
magbigay
Mr.
ng pera.
Cunanan ay hindi ibinayad sa PAGCOR
Yes.
yung kinolektang buwis ng
Opo,
Lucky South 99.
kulang po $500,000 US dollars.
Ay, wow! $500,000
dollars po, 500,000 US dollars.
$500,000 US dollars po. Ang
Ano
totoo
yun?
po, sabi pa ni Cassandra Leong sa amin noon ni Attorney Fernandez, habang nag-uusap kami, meron na pong nagbabayad sa
56.
isang land bank branch sa account ng PAGCOR na partial.
Grabe guys, $500,000 times 56 is 28 million tax. Ang laki pala ng pera dyan sa Pogo
Payment. Kaya po pag alis po ni former Secretary Roque at ni Ms. Cassandra Leong, inatasan ko po si Attorney Fernandez, paki-verify mo nga kung totoo yung sinasabi nilang may nagbabayad. And bumalik po sa akin si Attorney Fernandez, totoo pong may partial payment na ibinayad sa Land Bank, account po ng PAGCOR, nagkakahalaga po ng $203,000 US dollars.
Sino
103.
po ang nagbayad ng ganung partial payment?
Alam niyo po, pwede naman kayo mag-walk-in lang sa Land Bank, basta ibigay niyo lang yung account number ng
Maliit,
PAGCOR.
maliit.
Hindi na po
103?
natin makikilala kung sino nakapagbayad.
So may nag-partial payment po dahil hindi
$203 po.
$203,000.
Ang totoo po, yung balance,
$3.
hiniling po ni Binibining Cassandra Ong na kung maaari pay overtime. So, nabayaran
okay.
naman po
Yung
yung balance
Yung
na
balance yun.
halos 300,000 po or a little less than $300,000 US dollars. Overtime po nabayaran.
Okay.
Okay po, pero
Kaya po
yes.
walang naging utang si Lucky South sa amin dahil requirement po 'yon. Himihingi po sila ng pagkakataon din
Hindi
na
sila makaka-renew kapag di na fully
issue
paid.
muli ng bagong lisensya dahil mag-i-expire
tama,
na po.
tama.
2020 po nung na-issue nung nakarang administrasyon. So mag-i-expire na po. Kaya sabi namin, hindi maproproseso yan kung meron kayong pagkakautang sa PAGCOR.
Tama
Basta
naman.
po ang malinaw, nung araw na pumunta si Cassie Leong, accompanied by Attorney Roque sa opisina nyo, ang nirereklamo nilang dalawa, nilang pareho, na
Yung hindi
problema
pagbayad ni
ay
Dennis
may
Cunanan.
perang dapat ibinabayad si Mr. Cunanan para sa Lucky South 99 na hindi niya ibinayad sa PAGCOR. Pareho silang dalawa ang yun ang sinasabi sa inyo.
Maliwanag po yun. At ang
Alright,
totoo,
salamat.
tinanong
Dennis
ko po,
Cunanan, anong
sino po
masasabi
ba
mo
si
dyan?
Mr. Cunanan? Dahil hindi ko naman po siya kakilala. Ang sagot po ni Binibining Cassandra Leong, siya po ang authorized representative ng Lucky South 99. Nung binerify ko naman po, siya nga yung si Mr. Dennis Cunanan ang talagang nakalistang authorized representative ng Lucky South 99.
Salamat, Chair Tenko. SP Pro Tem?
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Ayan, malinaw na guys, no?
So
Patay ka
nang
ngayon, Dennis
hinahawakan na
Cunanan.
Pogo ngayon.
Wala na po, Your Honors.
Ano, umalis ka lang o tinanggal ka ng mga kliyente mo?
I left, Your Honors.
Why did you leave?
Yun nga po, meron na pong bagong guidelines yung PAGCOR which requires the authorized representative to be as liable as the key officers. And we're not any part of their operations. We don't know what they're doing after. So it's not anymore tenable, Your Honors, to be part of such work.
All right, going back to sa testimony ni Chairman Al, according to Cassie Leong, binigay sa yung pera. So you deny it na binigay sa yung pera at hindi mo binayad?
Yes, Your Honors. Yung lahat ng naging accountability namin, Your Honors, were properly documented. And
Kasi
it was,
sabi ni
it was submitted. to them.
Cassandra Ong,
Shoutout
binigay
sa'yo,
ko sa yung
Kapsat
pera,
Rex TV.
pero tinakbo mo raw yung
Wala.
pera, hindi mo raw binayad.
It's not true, Your Honors.
Ay, sino nagsisinungaling
Not
sa
true,
inyo?
Your Honor. Everything
Hindi daw totoo.
that were entrusted to us were properly documented, Your Honor.
How did you know Cassandra Leong?
Oh. Tinatanggi niya na no? According kay Dennis Cunanan, hindi daw totoo yung sinasabi diyan sa PAGCOR na na hindi niya binayaran yung tax. Nako po. Magkano 'yun? $500,000 is 28 million, mga brat. Taas pak. Sige, larga.
How did you get to know her?
Your Honor, when they were talking to us, Miss Han Gao introduced her to me as one of the authorized representatives supposed to be. Siya, si Han Gao, yung Charlotte, at saka a certain Shang Ji, yung kanilang chairman. Nung hindi makarating yung Shang Ji, yung chairman nila dahil nasa Singapore, at that time masabi nila, ako ang pinalito nila as authorized representative.
How did you know her?
Si
Sino nagpakilala sa'yo?
yung Charlotte Sia po, sir.
Sino si Charlotte Sia? Yung
yung-
dalawang may-ari ng yung Porac.
Yeah, hindi sir, isa sa Porac po, tama. Sa Porac po siya na interpreter na apparently when I saw her sign the documents, she was the designated president at that time when she was signing documents for Lucky South for their service provider contract.
Hindi kasi nagtataka ako, bakit bigla ka pumasok dito sa Pogo
Pogo.
industry? Bakit naging masyadong attractive ka dito sa mga
Ayun, attractive
Pogo
talaga.
industry?
Siyempre,
We were
malaking
not really
kita.
attracted, sir. What happened is we were looking for an
Laking kita,
office
ganun yun, no?
in Angeles at that time because we have a client who wanted us to help them with their cityhood campaign in Central Luzon. So maganda pong area, taga Pampanga rin po ako, maganda yung area ng Angeles for our operations. And then, itong mga to, inintroduce sa amin na investor nga po dun sa area kung saan kami tumitingin ng office, sa Porac. At sabi, they're looking for somebody who can help them work on things. So, dun ho nag-umpisa yun, sir.
Okay, during the duration ng ikaw ang consultant nito mga Pogo na ito, was there a time na nakapag-negotiate ka, nakapag-bargain ka sa PAGCOR halimbawa?
No, sir. I didn't even have any chance to go to...
Kasi kailangan ng lisensya ng PAGCOR. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Wala ka bang kinakausap na tiga PAGCOR?
OGLD lang
Para
po yung kausap.
expedite yung lisensya ng...
Wala ko
mga
kaming ganun,
Pogo?
Your Honors. Kasi, ang kausap lang ho namin nun, security guard. Pag may kailangan kaming hingin na documents na nakukuha namin sa baba, sa
Security
ground floor.
guard?
Yes, Your Honors. Doon nila iniiwan. Kuwari, OGLD lang po yung kausap namin.
Bakit security guard?
Hindi, iniiwan ho nila sa security guard, Your Honors. Kasi may pandemic noon, bawal pumanik sa mga offices ng PAGCOR. So, doon sa security guard sa baba, doon namin nire-receive lahat ng documents. So, doon din namin po pinapareceive yung mga documents.
Alright. Aware ka ba sa mga kasong final against you ng CIDG, ng PAOK?
Yes, Your Honors.
What is the status of the cases?
We're waiting. We just received the complaint, Your Honors, and we're working on our affidavit on it.
Why do you think that they filed the cases against you?
There was actually, Your Honors, there's no allegation there. It was just mentioned that I was an authorized representative. When
Alright.
they applied
Are you
Mr.
for-
Chair,
Yeah.
wala bang pending na kaso against Mr. Cunanan? Kasi alam ko meron din dating ban, hindi siya makaalis ng bansa. So, resolved na ba yun?
They're
Sagot.
still ongoing, Madam Senator.
So, are you helping in a capacity as a lawyer, as a liaison to all of these companies? Are you a lawyer, sir?
No, Your Honors.
So ba't opisina mo ang nilapitan para mag...
Hindi ho nilapitan, Your Honors. Nagkatagpo kami ho dun sa lugar kung saan kami naghahanap ng office. Tapos nandun din sila, dun sila nag-invest. Dun
So,
sa
is
may
your
park.
company a realty
Oh,
company?
incident?
Is it a consulting company?
Consulting company, Your Honors.
I'm sorry, what?
Consulting po. Consulting
Consulting.
company. Oh.
Kasi
Yun ho
it
talaga
seems
din
like you tend to attract certain mindset and group of individuals. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you, Madam
Na,
Senator
medyo
Grace.
nasa bandang
Mr.
climax na
Cunanan,
tayo,
are
mga
you the
absat.
same Dennis Cunanan who was a former TLRC
Oh, yan na, yan na.
General?
Eto
Yes,
na.
You have been
Climax
sentenced
na,
by
mga
the
kabsat.
Sandigan Bayan for graft to 10 to 18 years for malversation.
We have, Your Honors, which is still pending in the Supreme Court right now, but we have more acquittals that came out, Your Honors. out of
Excuse
that.
me?
We have more acquittals, Your Honors.
You were acquitted? Di ba you were
Yes, sir.
convicted?
Meron pong conviction at may acquittal. May 9 acquittals po, Your Honors.
Because, I cannot forget you.
Ayan na.
Alam mo bakit? During the time, or when I was my second term as senator, when I was already embattled, I attended a Blue Ribbon committee hearing, and you were present there. I remember very vividly. And you told that committee that I'm sorry, this is off topic already. Inaano ko lang yung credibility
Off-topic
nitong
na.
taong ito.
All right, SP Pro Temp.
At sinabi mo, tinawagan kita. And nung, nung tinatawagan kita, sinabi mo raw, I am endorsing an NGO para dun mo ilagay yung pondo ko. I have never called you and I do not know you from Adam. At ang sinabi mo rin sa committee noon, na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko.
Ayun eh, na-recognize lang. Oh, boses to ni Senator Estrada. Naku po. Oh guys, may tanong ako dyan, Mabsat, bagong tanong. Naniniwala ba kayo dito kay Dennis Cunanan? Wala, sinungaling yan. Oo naman, syempre, may tiwala ako dyan. So yan, panibagong poll po natin, Mabsat, no, sa ating second topic. Alright, sige, larga.
Apakasinungaling mo.
Oo lang. Solid.
Naalala mo yon?
Grabe, ang pagkasabi ng napakasinungaling mo, biglang gumanon lang si Dennis Cunanan, no? Parang, sorry po, nagkamali yata ako. Hindi yata ikaw yung narinig ko. Patay tayo rito, laka pa! Dennis Cunanan, ano na? O, Mabsat, may tanong tayo dyan. Itong natin, resource speaker natin, si Attorney Dennis Cunanan na Mabsat, no? May tiwala ba kayo dito? Nako, mukhang pinersonal na to ni ano. Galit na galit si Senator Estrada eh. Paano kasi? Nilabas niya, na bosesan ko si Senator Estrada tong kausap ko, di ba? O, patay tayo dyan. Nang hindi man lang niya nakikita, na bosesan lang. O, sige, larga.
Naalala mo yung sinabi mo? Na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko? Hindi naman kita kilala, hindi naman kita tinawagan. Naalala mo?
Ano, tinatanong ka, sagot.
Tinawagan ba kita?
Oh, gumaganon siya. Oh, nakita niyo, gumaganon siya. Gumaganon siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi. Oh, paano yan? Ang tagal-tagal na nun, ah. Isa yan sa mga dahilan kung bakit nakulong si Senator, eh. Atay ka ngayon, gumaganti na. Ito na. The karma is real. Back to you.
If I can recall at that
You
time,
just
Your
saved
Honors.
your skin.
No, Your Honors. If I can recall at that time, it was Ben Hurluy who called, not me.
It was?
It was Ben Hurluy, Your Honors, not me.
You said before that committee that it was my voice. You assumed that it was my voice.
You assume.
Kaya hindi kita makalimutan eh. Napakasinungaling mo.
Napakasinungaling.
Sorry for bringing this up, Madam Chair. Tinetest ko lang yung credibility nitong taong to eh.
Parang kwan lang, no? Parang si Jonathan Morales, eh. Testing yung kwan, credibility. Oh, yan, di ba guys? No? So tinatanggi niya na kwan, no? Na yung pagbintang sa kanila ni itong si anong pangalan na nito? Basta yung sinamahan ni Harry Roque diyan sa Pagcor, di ba? Na sabi nga, nirereklamo nila itong sa attorney Cunanan, Dennis Cunanan, na hindi niya binabayad yung mga tax. Biro mo, $500,000, 28 million pesos. Oh my God. Diba? Tapos ngayon, tinatanggi niya, hindi totoo yun. Patay tayo dyan. Oh, mga kapatid, yung tanong ko, nagtitiwala ba kayo dito kay Dennis Cunanan? Oo, hindi lang. So, sagot lang kayo dyan. Salamat. Tuloy natin.
It's all right, SP Pro Temp. Salamat po. We really want to get to the bottom of your involvement in this, Mr. Cunanan, itong usapin ng POGOs. Nung 2020, nabanggit ang pangalan nyo bilang authorized representative nga ng Hongsheng Gaming Corporation in a letter to PAGCOR dated September 10, 2020, and as authorized representative of Lucky South 99 in another letter to PAGCOR dated October 20, 2020. So kayo po actually ang pinakamalinaw na link sa dalawang kumpanyang ito. So, simula po tayo sa Hongsheng. Aside from what you've already told the committee, paano po kayo na-involved sa Hongsheng? And who exactly po ang nag-recruit sa inyo?
Ayan.
Madam Chair, sometime August of 2020, we got a call from a certain VV Chen. So yung VV Chen,
VV Chen.
Opo, VV Chen. Nag-request ho siya ko if they can meet up with us. And sabi ko, for what? They said they wanted us to help them with something. So we did. We met them in Clark. And then in a restaurant in Clark. And then they started to talk to us about an application for license. And we asked them who introduced us to them and where did they get my number. They said they got it from a friend, which I cannot anymore.
Sinong friend?
I cannot recall anymore the Chinese name that they were saying. And they said they wanted to, and I assumed it was Lucky South. Because it was
You
Lucky South.
assumed it was Lucky South. Bakit
Because
nyo
it was
in-assume
Lucky
yun?
South who we were helping ahead of time before that. So I assumed it was Lucky South. So I told them, if it was Lucky South, you might as well wait until they get their license, most likely, if they get their
Huwag na rin
license.
nyo.
And then I think that's the best time when you can work on your own.
So in-assume nyo na
Ang problema, attorney, di ba? Sabi nga nila, hindi mo daw binayad. Yung tax, di ba, na dapat ibinayad mo sa PAGCOR. Anong nangyari? Sige.
yung Lucky South na nandun na sa Porac, siya rin yung magse-set up sa Bamban through Hongsheng.
Hindi ho magsiset up, Madam Chair. Parang they were the ones who gave my number. Parang ganon. Parang they were the ones who gave us
Okay.
the number. So, when...
And then yung VV Chen, kumbaga, siya yung nag-recruit sa'yo
siya
for
po yung kumausap
Hongsheng.
sa akin. Yes,
Kumausap
yes,
sa inyo.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Alright.
Tapos while she was talking to me about all these things, we suggested that a license is not that easy. That's one, we told them. And two, it is not that, it is very expensive. Because just to secure the kit, it will require them to pay $150,000 US. And then, once they get their license approved, we told them you will need to pay another $200,000 US and another 300,000 bond. So that's not simple money. That's what we were telling them, which we do as consultants, Your Honor. So we try to guide them and advise them. So I was telling them to wait for Lucky South, and if Lucky South will get a license, most likely you can just link up, be a service provider, and it will be a less cost.
So dapat, kung ganun yung ina-advise nyo kina VV Chen, towards setting up Hongsheng, and sinasabi nyo intayin nila ang Lucky South 99, it should have been in your interest and in their interest na matulungan nyo ang
Yes, sir.
Lucky South and not create problems for them, as in fact both Cassie Leong and Attorney Roque, according to Chair Tenko, ay inireklamo sa inyo. Na-meet nyo po ba yung mga incorporators ng Hongsheng?
No, Your Honors. This is what happened. They insisted to set up their own. So when they insisted to set up their own, we gave them the checklist. Sabi namin sa kanila, comply nyo. If you can comply with the checklist, then we can submit it. And then while they're working on that, Your Honors, we went to the local government. That's when we talked to the mayor of Bamban, Tarlac.
Sige, bago tayo dumako doon kay Alice Guo. So, sinong directly kausap nyo tungkol sa Hongsheng? Yung VV Chen lamang?
Yes, Your Honors.
So, sinong naging principal nyo during that transaction or that discussion?
Si VV Chen Lato yung
Si VV Chen
nag-handle.
lamang.
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay. Sabi nyo, hindi nyo na-meet yung mga incorporator ng Hongsheng. Yu Zhengkan, siya ay isang incorporator ng Hongsheng. Na-meet nyo ba yung taong yon?
No, Your Honors. If in case, Your Honors, there was only one time that I went to that complex that they invited me, but it
So,
was still,
nakarating kayo sa
it was
compound
still-
na ni-raid ng PAOK?
but it was still ground zero at that time, Your Honors. It was still
Meaning,
ground zero.
kinoconstruct
Yes,
pa
Your Honor.
lamang.
Well, nothing was there. It was just container vans, and there were a group of Chinese there that I do not I'm not familiar with, and I could not understand how they were talking. That's where Miss Vivi Chen talked to me, and gave the intention.
Yung isa ba sa mga Chinong nakita nyo doon nung kinoconstruct ang Hongsheng na speaking in Chinese, hindi nyo maintindihan, was one of them Hong Jiangyang? Na-meet nyo ba yon?
They were not introduced to me, Your Honors.
How about Alex Yang? Have you met
No.
Alex Yang?
I'm just really not sure, Your Honors, if they were the ones on the other side of the area, but they were not introduced to me.
Ngayon, kahit in retrospect, kasi alam na ng buong bansa yung mukha ni Alice Go, nakausap nyo ba si Alice Go?
Yes, Your Honors.
You met her?
Yeah.
Okay. Ano yung naging interaction niyo ni Alice Go?
She was introduced as the owner of the property at that time.
She was the owner of the property.
Yes. Sir.
And siya rin ang may-ari ng Hongsheng? Ganun bang pagkapakilala sa kanya?
No.
Anong kinalaman niya sa Hongsheng?
No, Your Honors. She was introduced as the owner of what's that? Baofu, yung company nila.
Owner of Baofu.
Yes.
And then, kasi nga, tulad nung pinapakita nung mga dokumentong pinakita namin kanina, yung mga sulat both ng Hongsheng at ng Lucky South sa dating chair ng PAGCOR, si dating chair Andrea Domingo, nakabanggit yung pangalan nyo doon eh. So what about Lucky South 99 naman? Sino yung kausap nyo doon?
Yung ako, si Han Gao, si Charlotte Sia. Tapos
So Han Gao, Chinese name, Charlotte Sia yung Filipino name niya?
parang ganun ho.
So
Your Honor.
parehong tao.
Yes,
Han
one
Gao
tao.
is Charlotte Sia.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And then ano ang role na ginampanan ni Han Gao o Charlotte Sia in talking to you about Lucky South 99?
Apparently, Your Honors, when she was talking with authority para every time she discussed things with me, and sinasabi niya, we got a proposal for SP, can you help us review if it's okay? We started an SP. And then she was the one who signed it, Your Honors, the contract with Kirchner.
So may contract kayo sa Lucky South through Han Gao or Charlotte Sia?
Hindi po kami,
Aling
Your Honors.
contract yon?
May kontrata sila as a service provider with the mother licensee.
Sino yung mother licensee?
Kirchner, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Parang Kirchner.
German? Kirchner?
Kirchner.
Paki-spell po.
Kirshner.
Kirshner. Kirchner.
Yes, Your Honor.
So yan yung mother company ng Lucky South 99
In 2019.
in
Your Honor.
2019.
Yes.
Siya rin ba, itong Kirchner din ba yung mother company ng Hongsheng?
No, Your Honor. Ang Hongsheng po, dumiretso siya as a mother license. Hindi po siya nag-SP.
Alright. So samantalang ang Lucky South 99 dumaan
po
sa
muna.
Kirchner.
Opo,
Pero
dumaan
you
po siya.
were replying kay SP Pro Temp, ang Lucky South ay may kinalaman din sa hindi natuloy na itayong pogo sa Lawag. Doon din ba sa Lawag dumaan din sa Kirchner?
Hindi na po, Your Honors. By that time, they already have their own... ganito po, Your Honors. What they do is, even if you already have a license, you can apply for another site. So magdadagdag ka po ng bayad sa PAGCOR. So nagdagdag po sila ng bayad for another site.
Okay. Bukod po sa inyo, sino pang connecting link sa pagitan ng Hongsheng at Lucky South 99?
I'm
Sino po yung parehong konektado sa dalawang pogo, sa Hongsheng at sa Lucky South, bukod sa inyo?
I suppose magkakakilala po sila, Your Honors, kasi nasa isang area tapos
Isang grupo lang.
nagkakakitaan sila.
Sino po yung sila na magkakakila at nagkakakitaan?
What happened, Your Honors, is I'm not involved in their operations. I really don't know who their employees are or their people are. They only meet me, either they meet me in a restaurant or they go to my office, or if I ever go to them, they have this like a small holding area where they meet up with me, and then they give documents for review, and then I go. I give them notations.
So kayo lang yung nasa hot seat na ito na the link between Hongsheng and Lucky South 99.
Well, it so happened, Your Honors, that they became both of our clients, but I'm not even aware that they have anything together.
Did you see anybody else there na parehong kinakausap tungkol sa Lucky South 99 at Hongsheng?
None at that time that we were helping them, Your Honors.
So hanggang ngayon, tinatanggi nyo na tinakbo nyo yung pera ng Lucky South 99. Gaya ng inireklamo di umano ni Cassie Leong kay Chairman Tenco at iginiit din ni Attorney Roque nung sumama siya kay Cassie Leong sa PAGCOR.
Yes, Your Honors. There's no such thing.
Oh, okay, there's no such thing. Anong pagkakilala nyo kay Attorney Roque? Sino siya sa inyo sa usaping ito?
He's a former secretary po.
No, of course I know that.
Oh.
Mr. Cunanan naman. We're talking about Pogo. We're talking
Wala.
about Hongsheng. We're talking about Lucky South
I'm not
99. Please naman, alam nyo naman yung tinatanong ng committee eh.
Your Honor,
So ano po yung papel ni Attorney Roque sa
Ginagalit
inyo?
yun ng senator.
Anong pagkakilala nyo sa
Atay.
kanya kaugnay nitong mga iniimbestiga naming Pogo?
during the whole
Huwag
time
kang
that
piloso po sumagot dito.
I'm sorry, Your Honors, I did not intend to do that. But what I was trying to say is, I never, if it's about the operations of Lucky South at that time, I didn't even get to see him there at that time because they have a different lawyer that they were presenting to us. It was a certain Attorney Medina.
What's the first name of Attorney Medina?
I cannot just get it now, Your Honors, but it's a certain Attorney Medina. That's
Attorney yun ng Lucky South 99?
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay, so kung sinasabi nyo, di nyo alam bakit, wala kayong masabing pagkakilala kay Attorney Roque kaugnay ninyo at ng Lucky South 99. So
Wala.
why would he complain about the same thing Cassie Leong was complaining about sa PAGCOR?
I-
The same, na hindi niya binayad.
That's the first time I really heard about it, Your Honors. That he was even lawyering for them.
Ano po, mga kapsat?
Yeah, that's what we were also
Tanong
wondering.
natin yan.
Why was he lawyering for Lucky South 99? Sino yung habang nandun si Cassandra Leong at si Attorney Roque sa office ni Chair Tenco, sino yung nag-partial payment para sa Lucky South na $203,000 sa land bank? Sino yun?
I really don't know, Your Honors. I'm not part of the company anymore.
Oh, because apparently that person na nag-deposit sa land bank ng 203,000 pesos partially solved the problem of Cassandra Leong and Lucky South 99 na ginawa nyo daw problema sa kanila dahil hindi nyo daw ibinayad sa PAGCOR, which is also
Aray
what
ko po.
Chair Tenco said.
Madam Chair,
Yes,
have
SP
you
Pro Temp.
invited Cassandra Leong during this?
Yes, we have SP Pro Temp. Actually, subject din po siya ng subpoena na dinedma din niya and reported by the COMSEC. So, as I mentioned po earlier, the chair will act on any relevant motion dun sa ibang mga tao na hindi nirespeto ang imbitasyon ni ang subpoena o contempt citation ng
We can
komite.
ask Attorney Roque, do you know the whereabouts of Cassandra Leong?
Your Honor, I'm here as a resource person because
Yes,
there's
attorney,
a
but please
consistent...
answer the question of the SP Pro Temp.
I am, Your Honor, answering the question.
Thank you.
I am here because I am a resource person. I am being linked to POGOs, which I have denied. Now, I lawyer for Whirlwind, represented by Cassie Ong. I have all the documents to prove entry of appearances in all the court hearings, including verification signed by Cassie Ong as Corporate Secretary of Whirlwind. I do not have any contact with Cassie Ong now because my engagement is only on the ejectment case so far. There was an attempt to retain me for the raid on a residential house in Porac. However, I have not received the board director certificate authorizing me to be counseled there. So I'm only here to talk about myself and to defend myself against allegations that I pogoed against illegal pogos.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Secretary Roque. Therefore, I move, Madam Chair, to subpoena ad testificandum to be issued against Cassandra Leong.
Ayan.
Madam Chair.
Oh, may supina na. Patay ka dyan, Cassandra.
I'm sorry, I withdraw my motion. Meron na?
Ngek.
Yes, SP Pro Temp, Cassandra Leong is already subject of subpoena by the committee pero hindi niya pinaunlakan.
And
Oo nga
based,
pala. Tama.
based dun sa Bureau of BID, nasulat po sa inyo, Madam Chair, nakaalis na raw si Cassandra Ong,
Nakaalis
June
na?
11.
Apparently,
nako!
SP Pro Temp,
Nakatakas
si
na pala
Cassandra
eh.
Leon nasa Singapore na.
Oh,
She left the country already.
patay
So,
ka.
hindi talaga mahuli to. Hindi talaga makakasipot ito.
Nakatakas
The
na,
subpoena
nakatakas
of the
na.
committee can remain if the hearing is suspended. The subpoena will remain valid, Your Honor.
Okay, Madam Chair, Mr. Cunanan, dalawang tao na nagsasabi dito sa committee to.
Okay,
Isa
murderin
yung
nyo.
member ng PAGCOR tsaka si
PAGCOR.
Cassandra Leong na hindi mo nga binayad yung supposedly pera na dapat ibayad sa PAGCOR. At ikaw, dinideny mo naman talaga vehemently. Eh, dalawang tao na nagsasabi sa'yo eh. Tapos ikaw, nagsisinungaling ka pa, dinideny mo.
Your Honors, I cannot do what
Para siyang nasa hot seat no mga kabsat na parang lang Jonathan Morales lang, di ba? Nagkasisinungaling na patay tayo dyan. Sige, larga.
they mentioned with their statements, but I stand by
Pero guys, partida to. Attorney pa to ha. Nako po. O sige, tuloy.
that fact on my side. Plus, Your Honors, if in case I really did that, during the reapplication in September and October, Lucky South still communicated with our office requesting our assistance to help them with their PAGCOR reapplication, because they said because we left them already, and if they just wanted to make sure that their documents are properly documented and conveyed together. If in that situation, Your Honors, the fact stays, then I doubt they will even ask me to help them out with the review of their documents.
Okay, Madam Chair, we cannot ferret out the truth if Miss Cassandra Leong is not here. So we might as well wait for the appearance of Miss Cassandra Leong
Mahaba-habang hearing to, mga
for
kabsat,
her
no?
to corroborate the statements of the members of the officials of PAGCOR. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, SP Pro Temp. Ilang tanong na lang sa inyo for now, Mr. Cunanan.
Last.
So, well, kailan pa nagsimula kayo ma-involve sa POGOs? You mentioned earlier, 2019.
2019 yun, Madam Chair.
And the first POGO you were involved in was itong Hongsheng.
No, ma'am.
Was,
Lucky South.
I'm sorry, was Lucky South, 99. And ano no, matagal na po itong investigasyon namin. Sa palagay niyo po, sino po talaga ang pinaka-big boss ng mga POGO na to?
Ayan na. Meron ba?
Most likely, Your Honors, yung sa may mga Chinese group sila na parang mga boss na dumarating na magaganda yung sasakyan eh. So I suppose they're these people. In both camps. You know.
Magagandang sasakyan.
And we were not I was not introduced to these people because apparently I was informed that they cannot speak Filipino or something or English.
So sinong nagta-translate or interpret para sa inyo?
Ito nga pong si Hangao, si Charlotte. Tapos nung umalis ho yan, may pumalit sa kanya.
Sino po?
Si Sarah.
Sinong Sara yan? Sinong Sara yan?
Sarah. May Chinese name din po siya eh. Kasi
Ano yung Filipino name niya?
Sarah ho yung pangalan niya. Sarah Xu ang Filipino name niya.
Sarah Xu.
Yeah, SYU. And then she has a
SYU.
Chinese name, HUEI, Hui CIH.
HUEICIH.
Opo, yung Chinese name niya.
Hui Si or
Chi.
Hui Chi.
Opo.
Filipino po siya o Chino?
Chinese din po.
Chino rin.
Oo. Na nakakapag-English.
Na marunong mag-Ingles.
Opo.
All right, Mr. Cunanan, those are all my questions for you for now, but please stay around kasi sigurado ko yung mga colleagues ko may mga tanong pa sa inyo. If I could go back to a few more questions para kay Attorney Arellano sa
Okay na tayo dun, mga kabsat. So, yan po. Nakapo, nasabon-sabon dito si ano, si Attorney Dennis Cunanan. Nakapo, galit na galit pati itong si Senator Estrada. Naalala pa niya yung time na talagang narinig lang yung boses ni Senator Estrada to, siya to. Kinonfirm niya gano'n. So ayun nga Absat, no? So sinasabi nga ng PAGCOR no na lumapit itong si Miss Ong tsaka si Harry Roque na nga sinasabi nilang may problema sila kay Dennis Cunanan na hindi binayaran, mga kabsat. Yung tax na $500,000, biro mo $500,000, kinonvert mo yun, magiging 27 or 28 million. Oh, grabe din naman talaga. Oo, Dennis! Ano nga ba? So, tinatanggi nga ni Dennis Cunanan, mga kabsat. So, sa ating survey, mga kabsat, no, naniniwala ba kayo dito kay Dennis Cunanan? Wala! Ang nagsabing wala, 81%. Ang sabing, oo naman, naniniwala ko dyan, 19%. So, tapusin natin yung poll natin dyan. Yan yung second poll natin. Alright, next topic tayo, mga kabsat. Dalawa na lang.